Hey everyone, so in this video we'll talk about some of the footer settings we have, and essentially we've added several new options for you to look into. So first of all, what we'll need to do is take a look at our demo site. We have several options for our footer. You'll see homepage demo version 1 and homepage demo version 2. The footer options are slightly different. So here's the website that we'll be working with, and essentially we'll start off by adding content to our footer. So first of all, we have the footer broken out into 3 sections, section 1, 2, and 3. And essentially within the back end, if you go over to appearance, go to widgets. Here we have footer footer first, second, and third, which divides the footer into these 3 areas. So these 3 areas here is the Flothemes plugin or widget that we created. So you need to just drag and drop this into that area here. So we'll go ahead and select Flothemes, drag and drop it here, and we'll go ahead and add our title by just copying this information. Within the description area, we'll type in investment and details. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and click on save. Let's go ahead and close this. Next off, we'll also need to add content to our second footer area. So we'll just go ahead and drag and drop Flothemes, and we'll copy our title, which is about, and then the description area, which is this text over here. So we'll go ahead and copy paste this here. Go ahead and click on save. We'll close this up, and we'll also need to add for our footer third. We have these social icons, so we'll just go ahead and drag and drop our social widget just like that, and we'll type in social, and we'll click on save. Alright, so let's go ahead and close this. We'll go over to our home page, refresh this page. Okay, so here we have our 3 main areas within the footer, just like our demo website. If you take a look at this, you'll see that we have all of the information here. So at this point, what we'll want to do, and I've created a page here, it's called Page with a Different Footer. Currently we have the same type of footer, but if we take a look at demo version 2 of the home page, we have a slightly different type of footer. So here's how we create a different type of footer for a different page specifically. The following footer that we are creating can be used only for a single page, not for every page, or you cannot handpick how many pages you want to enable or disable this specific footer. What we're going to do is create a different footer for a specific page, and only for one specific page, not a number of specific pages. Alright, so once again, we'll go back to our widget area, and we'll go ahead and drag and drop our footer, or actually our widget area, our Flothemes widget. Okay, and we'll add the same information. We'll add information, and here we'll have investment and details. Okay, and what we're going to do is add a small image like we have over here, a small image. So we'll just click here to upload that image, and I'll scroll down and use one of the images we've already pre-uploaded here. We'll click on add this attachment. It'll be added here. Next off, we can add a border to our widget. So we'll just add the border, and we'll go ahead and just select this light gray color. Okay, and over here, probably the most important part is the visibility area. So you'll click here, and here we have several options to play with. So show or hide the specific footer if it's displayed in a specific area. So let's go ahead and do this. So show this footer if it's on a page and it's loading these pages, and we'll go ahead and select our test page. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do is just click on save. Okay, and for this area here, what we'll need to do is click on this visibility area, and we'll need to click on hide, select our page. If it's on page, I'm sorry, not test page, but we'll have this page with a different footer. There we go. Click save here and click save here as well. Alright, so at this point, let's go ahead and go back to our page with a different footer. We'll refresh this. And as you see here, I have my footer slightly different. And we can do the same thing with the about page and the social page as well. So if, let's just say, we go back to our, we'll just close this up, and we'll open up footer second. And we'll need to do is just drag and drop this flow images here as well. We'll add a small decorative image. Next off, we'll still need to add our description. So this will be about, and the title, or actually the description text. We'll just copy paste that here. We'll add a border. We'll select a border color as well. There we go. Visibility. Show if it's on a specific page, and we'll go ahead and select our page with a different footer. Click on save, and within this area, the visibility, we need to hide if this will be displayed in a page with a different footer. There we go. So we'll click on save now. And let's go back to our website, and we'll refresh this page once again, just like that. And here we have our footer with a border, and we have this little decorative image. Now, as you'll see, we have the footers inconsistent in size, so we also have the option of selecting a specific height for our area. So as you'll see here, we have a widget height. So let's just go ahead and type in 300 pixels. We'll click on save. And we'll go to footer first. We'll do the same thing here as well. So this will be 300 pixels. Click on save. And let's go here, refresh this page. And you'll see that the height is the same. Now, if we go back to our home page and refresh this, you'll see that our footer remains the same, but on our page with a different footer, we have a different type of footer. So this is what the process looks like. And actually, one other important thing that you do need to do is actually upload a plugin which will enable this option for you to adjust the visibility of your footers. So the plugin is called GP Widget Visibility Plugin right here, and you can download that plugin. It will be in the video description below. So yeah, this is pretty much it in terms of how you can customize your footer, how to create two separate footers within the same widget box area. We do hope this helps, but let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.